Welcome to the first part of our series on designing membrane switches. These series covers key considerations for designing a membrane switch, including graphic overlay, circuitry, mechanical restrictions, connector tail, and installation. Following sun-rising suggestions can streamline production, reduce costs, and enhance quality reliability. When designing the graphic overlay for your membrane switch, keep the following points in mind. Dimensional drawing. Customers should provide a dimensional drawing for the graphic in CDR, AI, or C80 format, ensuring all texts are curved. Actual samples can be provided if a drawing is not available. Color specifications. Provide Pantone or RAL color codes, specifying Pantone Color U for sand surfaces and Pantone Color C for glossy surfaces. Printing specifications. Maintain a minimum type size of 2 mm * 2 mm for text, logos, or icons. Ensure a minimum line thickness of 0.2 mm for all elements. Frame lines. Avoid closed frame lines within 4 mm from the outer edge of the membrane. Printing tooling has a position error of 0.2 mm, making it challenging to center closed frame lines. Interrupted lines are permitted to circumvent this issue, as they can be printed separately. Adhering to these guidelines will lead to smoother production processes and superior quality outcomes. Stay tuned for our next video on circuitry design considerations.